Good morning, everyone. Honorable Presidents, Excellencies, Honorable Ministers, esteemed associates, distinguished guests, friends from media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by thanking you all for coming to this inaugural West Africa Investment Forum, and by thanking the United Arab Emirates authorities, our hosts, who have been consistently kind and generous in hosting events that positively affect the region around us. This is the result of our combined efforts, and it is with great pleasure I stand here this morning for what, to my mind, signals a turning point in investor meetings. We are not simply discussing the challenges and opportunities for infrastructure investment in the UMOA region, but we are resolutely acting on core issues. Our forum lays the foundation for direct foreign investment into the region that will unlock its extraordinary economic potential and power. Despite the adverse global economic climate of recent years, the African continent has shown great resilience. West Africa is forecast to remain the fastest growing region on the continent. Africa is the cradle of a wealth of unexplored assets, both above the ground and below the ground. But infrastructure investment has not kept pace with the increased demand generated by rapid economic growth across the continent. Today's forum marks the first step on a journey towards harnessing this potential through much-needed infrastructure development. This is not just a social commitment, but an essential step forward in kick-starting the cycle of inclusive economic growth by job creation, readdressing the region's trade balance through exportation, solicitous long-term investment, and achieving higher level of GDP. Traditional deprived of non-Francophone investment, the forum will set a new global agenda by connecting the increasingly outward-looking countries of UMOA with investors from around the world. Having already demonstrated its immense potential, and with infrastructure development essential for unlocking economic growth, it is beyond doubt that West Africa offers a unique, unparalleled return on investment. It is great honor that I am able to stand here today as principal of Global Finance and Capital Limited. We were thrilled to be approached by UMOA to advise on the promotion of investment into the region, and to help structure it in such a way that key players from across the border could come under one roof to discuss and reaffirm their commitment. From the outset, we were determined to build an event that was result-driven, and so today should be regarded, above all else, as a celebration. The forum will be a catalyst for the solid commitment that in the next 2 quarters we will see Spitz breaking ground. This is a truly original concept, and it has been a wonderful experience to have had a part in developing it. At this stage, I would like to formally acknowledge the interest and support shown by the Middle East banks, EPC contractors, and financial institutions towards this region projects. Throughout the process, I have been hugely motivated and energized by the importance of the forum, and I can with conviction state my belief that we must build upon the process that has begun today and bring this concept to a global audience. It is my intention that our forum will occur regularly, and that the next time we meet, we could do so anywhere in the world. But today is about UMOA. It is with great pride that I can say, invest in UMOA and invest in the future. Thank you, and I wish you all good day ahead. Thank you very much.